Just another idea for how you can recycle your wedding flowers. These are dried flowers and fake flowers kind of mixed together. This is the wisteria that I just painted outside. So this is the way that I have the plants set up outside before I spray paint them. There's a box with a hole in it, and I have 3 stems inside with the wisteria hanging inside. This is a champagne color. That's absolutely gorgeous the way it is. However, I needed to make it more of a green and more rustic color. The spray paint color I'm using is this Krylon Fusion all-in-one paint and primer, and it's called Matte Spanish Moss. And you want to get all over, spraying the green here too if you need to make it look more like a fall color. And then after this dries a little bit, I'll flip it over and do the same thing. Once it's dry, you can let it drape on the tree, and you can create your own beautiful magical tree for special events such as weddings, charity events. You can add your own ornaments, and we have more videos on how to make ornaments if you'd like to look at those as well. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. We'd love to make more.